This video covers the build of the subwoofer box for the Valarra. The process started with using a 3D scanner to get the geometry of the back of the trunk. From there, I found an online photo of a concept I liked. I plugged it into ChatGPT to give me 4 different variants. And then I picked out one of them, and then it was a matter of modeling the subwoofer box in the 3D space that I had. Once the model was complete, it was time to 3D print the negative molds. The molds were printed using just basic PLA, nothing special, because this was going to be a one-time use mold, so it was just printed with standard PLA, and the molds were going to be a single use because they would be destroyed in the removal process. Then all the pieces were sanded down with 80 grit, primered with Evercoat Slick Sand polyester primer, then resanded, bonded together, reprimered, and then waxed. Negative for the sub box, so it's like going directly to a mold and skipping the plug process. I know everyone's gonna ask, Chris, did you have to print such giant cubes? Having this big surface area, one, it will make bonding way easier, and 2, alignment way easier. So 3D printed this, I don't know, what do you call this, a terminal block. And then I have a Dochas connector on a flange right in here. I welded in some M4 weld nuts inside of here. So you will have a frost piece of plexi with a LED on the back side.